about to get started real quick. Very soon. Today, guys, we're going to talk about the banks. All these banks looking to get inside Bitcoin in 2022. We're also going to talk about how you actually can get inside, using your retirement. All these different using Bitcoin for your IRA, different retirements. How a lot of money is coming in to Bitcoin that way as well. So just stick around, guys. We'll get started real soon. Let's get it, baby. Welcome. Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are having a great day. I know I am. Guys, man, we're going to talk about some exciting stuff today, man. Let's talk about how Bitcoin, all these banks looking to get into Bitcoin. I mean, and they're trying to get into it very soon. We also talk about, pretty much the IRA, I Trust Capital, man. How they're raising over $125 million to expand Bitcoin. You know what I mean? So, in retirement. So, guys, but before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button. We're live, baby. Come to you every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're live right now, guys. And make sure you guys follow us on all our different social medias, as you guys can see right below. Follow us on all our different social medias, as you guys see below. We give out different coins, things I'm looking at, things I'm hopping in that day. On Twitter, I like to say a lot sometimes. On TikTok as well, Instagram. So, guys, make sure you follow us on all our different social media handles because, we do different things on different social media handles. So, but yeah, man. And before, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel right now, guys. If you're not subscribing, make sure you subscribe to the channel, but hit that like button. That like button is very important, especially for live. Help us with the YouTube algorithms, all right? But, guys, and on top of that, if you want to get started with cryptocurrency, you want to learn about cryptocurrency, make sure you check out our What is Cryptocurrency Beginners course. Take our beginners course, the Crypto Black Beginners course, guys. I'm telling you right now, it'll put you about 1 to 2 years ahead of everyone else getting into cryptocurrency. We'll go over CoinMarketCap, we'll go over crypto security, we'll teach you how to read charts. We'll also go over different news sources that actually look out to actually get you in better plays. DeFi, staking. We talk about DeFi and staking, in 2020. You know what I mean? And people was just, they just now starting to really get on top of the DeFi craze. But we talked about that years ago. Staking before that. We talked about staking way before that, But also, how to look at the blockchain to find your coins and stuff, find your transaction, how it's moving. So make sure you go to our website, cryptoblack.net. And guys, go over and check out our website, and then you'll be able to actually go over and take that beginner's course. But man, we're gonna talk about it. It says over 300 banks to offer Bitcoin to clients in the first half of 2022. Guys, that's a lot. But before we get into that, man, let's look at Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin, is pretty much staying, and I keep telling everybody, we're in that consolidation stage. Bitcoin is bouncing back between 40,678 up to 44.1. I mean, I keep telling everybody, that 44.1 is key. 44.1 is key. You know what I mean? In order for us to, and we got to close above 44.1. Because if we don't close above 44.1, then you're gonna stay down. You'll keep flirting with that 40,000. All right. At 40,000, we'll keep flirting with that if we don't get above 44.1. But the good news is we are above this downward trend though. So that's the good news. We are above this downward trend. Keep staying on that 7-day moving average. And like I said, keep going back up here to 44.1, which is at that 20. But we won't see we won't be all clear until we get above this. Until we get above 48. Get about 48 above this 50-day moving average, which is acting as resistance. This 44.1 is acting as resistance as well. So we got to get above that and close above it. Close above it for the day. All right. And then we start, get back above 48. But, until we bullish, we got to get above this downward trend line right here, which is above So like I said, I keep saying 50,000, but like I said, we got to be above 50,000. I'm not happy until we above 50,000. I'm really happy until we above 54. 54, that's we above this, this downward trend line, getting into 54,000, and saying the same thing right here on the fib as well. So that's how that's how when I start being happy. But until right now, consolidating. We're consolidating, consolidation stage right here with Bitcoin. And we're going to stay like this until, we really get some money coming back in, some more volume. We keep tracking this volume, low volume as well. So, it's not good to trade right now at the moment. It's not good to trade Bitcoin at the moment, but it is good to accumulate. And I can always say that over and over again. It's good to accumulate. But, watch out for this key, these key points here at 40,000, and this 44.1. Close above 44.1. We could be getting to an uptick about going up to about 48, okay? But yeah, man, let's get right into it. So it says around 300 community banks are expected to launch Bitcoin trading in the first half of 2022 in partnership with Stone Ridge subsidiary NYDIG, according to a report by American Banker. It said the plan first became known in July. Over the past few months, banks have been busy ironing out regulatory issues. But participants interviewed by American Banker claim that they are now close to launching support for Bitcoin after finalizing their partnerships and addressing security concerns linked to the novel asset class. Now, even though the idea of buying Bitcoin from banks might sound like an oxymoron, small banking institutions expect that embracing crypto will help them stay afloat, which is the truth. Novice Banks Zach Bishop sees cryptocurrencies playing a more prominent role in their business. However, he is only cautiously optimistic. So it says that doesn't mean it isn't going to disappear in any way. Bank South CEO Harold Reynolds have seen a large uptick in cryptocurrency investing among his bank's clients. Now, Synovus Financial, another small bank in Georgia, plans to add Bitcoin trading to its mobile app later this year. In May, as reported by U Today, NYDIG Bank inked a partnership with Fidelity National Information Services to help banks roll out their Bitcoin products. The cryptocurrency firm, which acts as a custodian, keeps clients' funds in cold storage to rule out cybersecurity risks. In July, NYDIG partnered with financial services technology provider Fiserv to allow hundreds of U.S. banks and credit unions to offer Bitcoin to their customers, which is true. This is true because, and this right here helped Bitcoin a lot because, obviously they have to buy Bitcoin in order to offer to their customers, right? And, to all their clients. And when you're dealing with the younger, I would say the younger generation, they just don't trust banks. I mean, I'm in that generation. I'm a millennial, so I'm in that generation where, we've seen the banks screw over, everyone. I was just fresh out of college, and and a few years after I got out of college, man, I just seen the banks, the economies collapse. The banks, all this fraud. So just like, man, I don't trust these banks, man. You know what I mean? So, just looking at it on a grand scale. So you see all the fraud and then nobody with the jail, you know what I mean, over it. So that's really frustrating. So obviously Bitcoin came out of all that. But at the same time, banks want people to start trusting them, and want people to say, a lot of people say, you know what, I put my money in Bitcoin, I put my money in crypto before I, as an investment, before I put my money in the banks. At least I control it and own it. You know what I mean? But if the banks is like, okay, you know what? Well, we offer crypto too. We offer Bitcoin too. And, you don't have to worry about it. You know what I mean? You ever lose your keys and blah, 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 because we got it. So that could entice people to, start opening up their accounts over there and just diversify a little bit. So, because a lot of people don't want to own their own coin. I mean, to me, it's silly. I think you should control your own money, be your own bank. But, a lot of people don't want to do it. Most people don't. They're used to the old way, and that's how they're going to be. You know what I mean? It is what it is, So, me personally, you know what I mean? I gotta respect that. I have to respect that. You know what I mean? What people want to do with their money. I can't tell people what to do with their money. You know what I mean? Just don't act crazy with it. Just don't spend it frivolously. You know what I mean? Just acting wild and then don't have nothing. You know what I mean? But besides that, guys, I think it's good news. I mean, 300 community banks, 300 banks, you know, all around different communities around the country, offering, pretty much around the world, actually, you know, offering Bitcoin as a custody. You know, keep custody of your Bitcoin, and you know, obviously, you know, they gonna have to catch up with DeFi as well. They're gonna have to offer better returns, because people are just gonna say, you know what, I'll just put my stuff inside BlockFi, put my stuff inside Celsius, and all the other you know, and DeFi as well. You know what I mean? But people put their money inside of centralized finances as well as DeFi. So banks have to do something with that. But at the same time, for the people that are skeptical, don't want to download a wallet, you know what I mean, on their phone and everything, they're going to actually, you know, they like this. They like this to where, you know, they're able to go to the bank and say, listen, I want to buy some Bitcoin and keep my Bitcoin inside here, or, you know, and pretty much like kind of like, you know, out of their checking account, they can just dollar cost average the Bitcoin as well, right from their bank. You know what I mean? So every time they get direct deposit from their job or whatever, they can just pretty much buy it, or from the app, like it showed, right from the app. You know, you have your wallet right on the app. You know what I mean? On the banker's app. So I think it's a good thing. I think it's a good thing. Now but at the end of the day, these banks got to buy Bitcoin, right? So they're going to buy a lot of Bitcoin. If you're already inside Bitcoin, then obviously the price is going to go up, right? Because all these banks going to simultaneously buy these Bitcoin and offer to their customers. That's just how it is. All right. Now, another good thing, guys, another good thing. This IRA platform, I Trust Capital, raises $125 million to expand Bitcoin retirement options. Now, I Trust Capital enables retirement savers to put Bitcoin and many other crypto assets into an IRA account. So people that want to retire and use and take advantage of tax benefits and everything, they can, with the IRA, with their Bitcoin, a lot of money is coming into that as well. So it says more people are treating crypto as an investment for their old age, and there's a growing number of firms that want to help them do just that. One of them is I Trust Capital, which touts over 25,000 funded accounts. On Wednesday, it announced that it has raised $125 million, guys, a Series A funding round that values the company at over $1.3 billion. Now, I Trust Capital core product is IRA accounts. While anyone can, of course, hodl Bitcoin till they are old and gray, IRA accounts let savers reduce their tax bill when they make a contribution. The money is taxed later when it is withdrawn in retirement. Now, currently, major retirement account providers like Fidelity and Charles Schwab do not provide crypto IRAs. They're going to, because I'm telling you, if it's a monkey see, monkey do business here. You know, money start going this way, people start changing the rules. Trust me, real quick. Trust me. So it says this has opened a niche for crypto companies to offer them instead. Now, Insider has lists of popular options here. Now, you know, I'm not clicking there, but you know, pretty much all the different retirement companies. Now it says in the case of I Trust Capital, the service lets savers invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum, but also a wide variety of other crypto options like Solana, Cardano, Tezos. I think Tezos about to blow up, guys. So I'm just letting you know. I'm constantly buying Tezos as well, but Tezos about to blow up. I'm just letting y'all know. In my opinion, that's all I'm gonna say. And Chainlink, it recently launched an iPhone app. Now, the company says it also intends to provide an income-generating option in the form of staking services in the near future. Now, what did I say on the last video? These companies going to have to start with DeFi offering better yields, staking, and everything else, because they're going to have to keep up. Because people are going to say, you know what? I'm not putting my Bitcoin stuff over here and earning 0.01% interest or whatever they want to offer, when I can put my money over here, and not only I catch when Bitcoin go up in value, I'm also going to get 5%, 7%, on my Bitcoin. You know what I mean? So, and then staking, obviously, is different staking tokens like Cardano do a lot of staking, Solana does staking. So all those different things that does Tezos does staking. They call it baking, but it's the same thing. So those type of things that people want to take advantage of. You know what I mean? Because you earn more coins by just hodling it, just holding on to it. Why not? You know what I mean? It's a no-brainer. Polkadot, all of them do it. So the company says it intends to provide income by staking services in the near future. It likewise plans to provide tools that let customers who buy governance tokens from the likes of Uniswap, Compound, and Polkadot participate in voting associated with these projects. So governance as well. I Trust Capital's funding news comes at the time when firms are also beginning to create crypto-focused 401k plans. Oh, it's a scam. Oh, crypto's a scam. All right, cool. IRAs, over 300 banks, 401ks now. They got pensions now with Bitcoin and other crypto. But it's a scam. All right, cool. Work-based retirement accounts for companies to offer to their employees. Coinbase is a partner in at least one such plan. Now, the Series A round was led by New York-based Left Lane Capital. I Trust Capital IRA product is developed to all U.S.-based investors except those in New York and Hawaii. You tell people inside New York. You want to be in crypto? Get out of New York, man. New York is just for the rich, man. It's the good old boy town, man. That's what New York is, But yeah, guys, I mean, this here, man, this definitely great news. More money, obviously, like I said, with the banks, they got to buy more Bitcoin, right? And in order to offer to their customers, do custody of that, of the Bitcoin. Then you got the IRA, and you got 401k, you know what I mean? And these retirement options, they're doing it as well. So more people are going to say, you know what? Hey, Bitcoin on average, 200% year over year on average for the last 10 years, then, why won't I put this in, my retirement, right? And then with the tax benefits as well. So, I mean, guys, if you look at it, man, you should look at it, man, in a matter of weeks. If people tell you like, yo, oh, man, I'm not messing with it. I'm not messing with Bitcoin, blah, 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 blah. I mean, at the end of the day, man, you just got to look at a chart. And you got to ask yourself, you say, hey, look, if I want my money, do I want my money to look like this? If I had money like this, and then it just did like this, and then it said this. Do I want that? Do I want it for my pocket? In my pocket? Do I want my account to do this? And it comes down, and I buy some more, and it goes like this, and it goes like this. So think about this. In your account, you don't want this. You don't want this for your account. You see what I'm saying? So, if we see right here, this is the, this right here was the 2020. Look at Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin came back faster than everything, man. Everything. You know what I mean? With the 3341 back when, when we had that first pandemic and everything was going crazy and everything was just dropping like a rock. And then what happened? Bitcoin just came, and look what happened. You see what I'm saying? And guys, with every single push, look at this. We was going crazy off of this. You know what I mean? This was the 2017 bull run. Look at this. The 2017 bull run looks like nothing compared to this bull run. It's a double top, and this is similar to the 2013 bull run. So, guys, I mean, look at this. Everybody's going crazy off of this. Now look at this. So, I mean, that's where you want your money at, man. I mean, that's where my money gonna be at. I'm sitting, I'm holding it. You know what I mean? So, guys, that's pretty much it for right now. But we're gonna open up the Q&A and see what anybody got questions about crypto. Any questions? Anything they like? Anything they would like to know? We'll open the Q&A for another 10 minutes and get everything started. How everybody doing out there? Make sure you guys hit that like button. Hit that like button right now, guys, if you haven't. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Hit that subscribe button. Lenny, what's up, man? Rena, what's going on? Who this? The PMS team. Yeah, man. You know, and that's what people gotta understand, man, about crypto. You know, and all in all, you know, these bull runs. You know what I mean? You take advantage of them. You start identifying the coin that you like. You know what I mean? And my core 5 is right here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, BNB, and ADA. I accumulate these coins over and over and over again. There's a dip, I buy more. Dip, I buy more. And most of these coins I can stake. I can make money off of. You know what I mean? And all these coins, I got them sitting somewhere where I'm making money. And I accumulate more and I put it right back in. You know what I mean? Utilizing DeFi or CeFi. You know what I mean? Obviously, Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's you know what I mean? You could do it's proof of work, not proof of stake coins. But you can take your ETH and you know what I mean and utilize that as well. But the BNB, you can stake it. Cardano, you can stake it. You know what I mean? And Cardano, the good thing about Cardano is there's no lockup periods. You can literally just, you take your Cardano, put it in the wallet, and then just stake all of it. Then you want to move it, you can move it. Whenever you want to remove it. You can remove it, switch it, do what you want to do with it. You know what I mean? But all this great news coming out with Cardano, why would you want to do that? You know what I mean? You don't want to. I mean, I wouldn't want to sell it. You know what I mean? Not this present moment. But these are coins I look to accumulate. You know what I mean? So, and then over time, your account look like this. Because you'll feel like an idiot. Like, you don't have to trade this. You don't have to trade this. You just buy more of it. I mean, come on. You don't have to trade this. Look at this. Buy it. You buy more. You buy more. You buy more. You buy more. And look at this. There are a lot of people like with Cardano. This is Cardano chart right here. Look, I've been in Cardano, man. Yo, I got in Cardano like this. I started making this chart back then. I got in Cardano, man, 2 cents. I bought more at 5 cents, 13 cents, 35 cents. I just kept buying it. And I hear people say all the time, oh, man, Cardano. Like, yo, I'm happy as hell with Cardano. It's at $1.40. I'm happy as hell with Cardano. Look at this. Down here. You know what I mean? Yeah. People call you crazy back then. You buying it down here, it was low. But look what happened. And I call you crazy anymore. You know what I mean? When people complain, the one that bought up here. But this is what we kept telling people, like, listen, it's a big, one of the co-creators of Ethereum is part of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson. They got a lot of stuff coming out. Now, granted, he made the language really crazy. You know what I mean? For people to code and do, you know what I mean? He picked a very difficult language for people to code and build on. But hey, they're going to get it eventually, and they got it. But let's see what's going on. So y'all got no questions? Y'all got no questions in the chat? Put the questions in the chat. It's a Q&A. I'm going to help y'all out today. Anything y'all like? Anything y'all want me to look at? Yeah, same thing with BNB, man. BNB. And I bought BNB because I loved Binance, right? So I bought BNB because I love Binance. So I was just buying a bunch of the coins because I'm like, all right, I'm always trading on it. So I just buy a whole lot so I don't got to worry about it. You know what I mean? Because I'm trading. You own BNB, then when you trade, you got 50% off the fees. So like, let me just, if I'm trading on it or whatever like that, then let me just buy a whole lot. You know what I mean? So I don't worry about, I forget or something like that and I don't have anymore. So I just bought a whole lot. Then I didn't know about Pancake. I didn't know they're gonna open up Binance Smart Chain and it's gonna explode like that. I just bought it because because I was using the platform. And look, $2 some change. And this is March. This is March 2020. $12, $20, and then boom, it went up to $684. So these are the type of things, guys, you want to look at. These type of things you want to look at and say, you know what? What's the next project? What's the next project that we could be, I can look at that has some type of utility? Binance had a utility. That's why I liked it. I mean, it's one of my favorite coins because it had a utility. I said, okay, cool. This coin it'll be worth. It's worth, something because people got to buy it, and plus they burn. They do the burn every quarter. So it's coin. I didn't expect it to go up to this. You know what I mean? I expect to go to like maybe like $40-$50. You know what I mean? But when that joint went off like this, it was crazy. It just went off. It just took off. Beginning of last year, around the time last year, it went from like $30-$40. You looked up, it was like $300-$400. I mean, it was like what? In a matter of a few weeks. Just right here, just like this. Boom, 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 boom. It started down here. Right down here. $42. Boom. What's this? 1, 2, 3 weeks later. Over $300. So we should play with ADA and the Sundayswap. Yeah, I already got everything set up. I love ADA. I love Cardano. I've been waiting on Sundayswap, man, for months. So when they came with that announcement, you know what I mean? And I'm in their Discord, I'm in everything. So I'm following them on Twitter, everything. You know what I mean? And then I seen they got the Pavia with the land. So I got the wallet set up. Just make sure you have the Nami wallet. The Nami wallet for Cardano. Let me find it for you. So you had that's what we're gonna be working on Sundayswap first. It'll be the Nami wallet. So it's you can get the Google Chrome extension or Brave, whatever browser you use. But make sure you go to NamiWallet.io. And that's what's going to be set up first with Sundayswap. That's working with Sundayswap on the testnet. So make sure you have that wallet. I got a Uri wallet as well. But that's going to be working, I think, maybe a little bit later. You know what I mean? But for right now, Nami's going to be working with it. So make sure you have that set up with Sundayswap. But it's going to be a lot more liquidity. It'll be a lot more liquidity when you're dealing with DEXs. You know what I mean? With Cardano. So you're going to have not only 70% of the coin is locked up, staked, which is the most decentralized platform that's out there. Is 70% of it is staked. The coin is staked. Now, the other 30%, gotta get pretty much a lot of that nice percentage of that 30%. You're gonna get locked up in TVL, total value locked on DeFi. So Sundayswap ain't gonna be the only one. You got Sundayswap. You got what's the ADA DEX or something like that. But you're gonna have a few of them out there where you're gonna be able to swap. You're gonna lock them up. You know what I mean? And you're gonna do the DeFi thing, and it's over, man. And people gonna be locking up, buying more land and everything like that. You know what I mean? So a lot of people gonna benefit from it. So what the price do with that? How does the price act? What's the price action on that? I mean, it's a no-brainer. If 70% of the coins is staked, and then the other 30%, you know what I mean, a big portion of that gonna be TVL. People gonna go open it up and they're gonna start buying other coins based on based off of Sundayswap being open. Then the coin will go straight up. That's what happened with Tezos a few months ago. Tezos, Luna, everything, all the other players. That's what I was doing all last year. Everybody was with the memes and trying to catch on. I mean, I made money off the memes and everything too, but while everybody was chilling, I was buying more Matic, I was buying more Luna, I was buying more Avalanche, I was buying more Phantom. Before all this stuff was acting, everybody was going crazy. Everybody was chilling, talking about it. Then when it came, and I'm like, all right, cool. That's all I'm doing with Cardano. I'm like, obviously Cardano it's gonna happen with Cardano. You know what I mean? And then that's what happened. So that's what I think. I think that's, you know, the more TVL, this Cardano with all that staking, that's what makes it so cool, man. You know what I mean? So that's what I think we'll have with Cardano. I think everybody's in Cardano is going to be pretty happy, especially by March. I think everybody's going to be happy, especially by March. Cardano. I'm sitting on Cardano. But yeah, guys, I still got any more questions. So what I'm going to do, man, I'm going to check out. And I'm going to go eat me a nice salad. And, and I'm going to sit back and relax. And guys, I mean, today is one of those days, man. One of those days you don't want to force it. You know what I mean? We're looking at Bitcoin right now. It's one of those days you don't want to force it, guys. So just sit back, relax. I mean, we're under the 50-day on the weekly. You know what I mean? Just sit back and relax. You don't got to force it. You know, we're down 4.37% for the week with Bitcoin. So, you know, just don't force it. Just sit back and chill. Accumulate the coin that you do like. But besides that, guys, man, I'll be sitting back chilling. Don't worry about it. You know, just enjoy your banks. Just, you know, your DeFi bank. Watch your, if you're inside a DeFi bank, be your own bank. Just watch your accounts. Make sure the health score is good, and then you can buy these dips. And make sure you have your support and resistance set up. Remember, guys, take the emotions out of it. Have your support in. You know what we do. We buy support. We sell resistance. Right? We buy support, sell resistance. That's how you make money. Take them small wins, the small accounts grows the big accounts. But you got to stay disciplined. No emotions, all right? No emotions. We'll keep it going, man. We'll keep it going. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you stack your sats and chills. You got Crypto Chuck here to Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.